So let's say you have different flashcards with different volumes and you want to make everything the same volume. So what you do is you go to this page. It's an extension for Anki. If you don't know how to install extensions for Anki, then just scroll down here, copy this code, then go back to Anki, click Tools, then Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and paste this code here. Click OK, close and open Anki again. So in order for this extension to start working, go to Tools, then down here Adjust Sound Volume, Volume Settings, and then click Loudness Normalization. Then OK, and everything works. I have two different flashcards with different volumes. This has low volume. It sounds like that. And this one was loud, and they are the same volume.